Hi, I'm Timothy Mitchell with Mimaki. I'm here at our demo facility just outside of Atlanta, and I'm joined here by Larry Ulfig. Larry, you are the head of the sales group for Berger USA, is that correct?
I am the Southeastern Regional Sales Manager.
Southeastern Regional Sales Manager.
One
Thank
of
you very much.
four regional sales.
Regional sales managers. You've been a huge partner for us with Mimaki, especially with all of our new products. We have a new 3.2 meter dye sublimation printer. And you were gracious enough to provide us with a lot of media for the show. It printed beautifully. We had some nice backlights. I know that you're going to be attending on our panel for our upcoming event, the Digital Textile Microfactory. The idea of the microfactory is an end-to-end workflow, and textile, the fabric, the actual product that you print to, is Berger USA's purview. So can you tell me a little bit about Berger USA, maybe especially for an audience maybe that doesn't know very much about fabric at all?
Oh, absolutely. Berger has been in the industry for 175 years. That is based out of Germany. We used to be a textile manufacturer. Now we are a design, engineering, and development company for textiles. What does that mean? It means that we have a panel of engineers in Europe that actually design these textiles to be printable. Berger actually was leading that technology in the 80s to actually apply coating to textiles so that they could be printed on. We introduced our market in the US in 2017.
Okay.
As of 2024, we have taken a totally different approach in the US. More of a direct to market instead of through a distribution model. Now we have Berger employees, Berger warehouses, so a little more consistency as far as how we're introducing into the marketplace.
Okay, fantastic. Do me a favor, bring the mic just a hair out. There you go, right here. So another thing I love about your product line is you have, so our new dye sublimation printer, the TS 330 3200 DS, is a hybrid. So I can print direct, or I can print to transfer paper and then have a calendared press handle it. Printing direct, I would use a lot of flag banner. I would expect to use backlits. I could certainly do blockout, black back. All of those, you guys have lines pretty much for everything you're likely to print on. I mean, it kind of looks like Berger has a comprehensive line of digitally printable fabric.
Yes, we do. And the fact is that a majority of our products can be printed directly. They can be printed transfer. They can be printed with latex or UV. So a complement to your entire line. We have products that would fit each and every machine that you have for whatever application you have.
Sure, because this event that we're having is obviously probably the highlight is sublimation, but we also have, natural fiber pigment-based printing. We have direct printers. We have a transfer process called Trappist. We also have UV printers. And make no mistake, you can use UV printers to print beautiful fabric, and we have it all over our demo facility. UV printers can skip the calendared press and go directly to the printer and can be using white ink in many other cases for layering to give you very nice backlits. And Berger has fabrics that would complement those very well.
Yes, in fact, most people that have been in the industry for a while with textiles, the name Samba. That product was introduced in 2017.
That's a big product.
2007 is when we introduced that product. And it is still probably one of the most used UV products out there.
Even when somebody else is using it, they're calling it something like Samba.
Yes,
like
Simba.
Some Conga, there's Rumba. I'm like, that's a Berger knockoff.
Yes, often trying to be duplicated, but never the same.
Yeah, no, that is an excellent product. It's been very successful. I used it on a lot of different ink technologies over the years. So one of the things I want you to encourage you all to attend this upcoming event is because you're going to have an opportunity to speak with people like Larry who have decades of experience with textiles, types of textiles, recommend different types of textiles. For example, when I reached out to you for the new dye sub printer, I said, I need a killer backlit. Larry was gracious enough to lend us some backlit frames, which will be at the event. And those frames looked spectacular. And I said, what should I use? And you said the Lumina.
Lumina, and we actually are going to be introducing 2 new products, Aurora and a Lumina Basic.
Okay.
So what you've seen in Lumina, you will see even as good of a product, if not better.
Fantastic. So please, I encourage you all to come. It's October 30th, the day before Halloween. That's on a Wednesday. We're going to start at 9 o'clock. The first event's going to go off at 10. We're going to have a wonderful lunch. We'll have a fantastic series of panels. It'll be very hands-on. You'll get a chance to ask questions. We'll have a series of discussions about the whole workflow end-to-end, file to finishing. And then, we'll break open some wine and cheese and good meat and enjoy ourselves in the perfect weather of sunny California, just as it's getting cold everywhere else. So please stop by. We'd love to have you. You'll get a chance to hang out with folks from Berger and ask some questions. Again, October 30th, Mimaki Digital Textile Microfactory in Los Angeles, California.